by more top-level competitors than any other brand. Given that popularity, it was time to up the ante. Starting from scratch, CZ engineers gave the Shadow 2 a higher beaver tail, undercut trigger guard, and fully checkered front and back straps. Slide and barrel are stretched to a 1/4 inch to eke out more sight radius and add some weight to reduce muzzle flip. A contoured slide focuses the reciprocating mass more closely to the center line of the bore. An extended mag release has 3 positions. Also, both slim and extended ambi safety sets are included. The result is a pistol that's fast shooting and accurate, a gun born to dominate production division just like its predecessor.
CZ SP-01. Originally designed as a military and law enforcement sidearm, the SP-01 is currently in use by security forces fighting in the global war on terror. With an integral 1913 accessory rail on the dust cover, rubber grip panels, and CZ's corrosion-resistant black polycoat finish, the SP-01 is one of the most popular variants in the CZ75 family. Because of its exceptional accuracy and superior handling characteristics, the CZ SP-01 has also found a place in the world of sport and target shooting. CZ75. A legend in the firearms world, the CZ75 was one of the first Wonder 9s. With a high-capacity double-stack magazine, excellent ergonomics, and a hammer-forged barrel, it has built a reputation for reliability and accuracy. With over 1 million CZ75s produced, an entire family of models has sprung up around the original design. From compacts to competition models, single action only to service pistols with a decocker, the 75 platform has a model for any specific need. From target shooting to concealed carry to uniform duty, the CZ P-07. The P-07 is a compact polymer pistol that's easy to customize for the task at hand. With 3 interchangeable back straps, swappable magazine release, and an ambidextrous safety or decocker, it can be made to fit any user. 15 plus 1 rounds of 9mm and 12 plus 1 in .40 caliber mean plenty of stopping power when it's needed. No matter whether it's destined to punch paper, ride in a duty holster, or sit securely by the bedside, the P-07 can quickly and easily be configured for the task. CZ P-09. The P-09 is our full-size polymer offering, boasting an impressive 19 plus 1 capacity in its flush-fitting magazine, unsurpassed by any other 9mm service pistol. Featuring the versatile Omega trigger system, the P-09 is shipped with decockers installed but can easily be converted to a manual safety with the supplied parts and instructions. Also included are small, medium, and large back straps that allow the user to customize the pistol's grip to their hand while retaining the natural point of aim that CZ handguns are known for. With an integrated 1913 Picatinny rail, the P-09 is readily adaptable to low-light situations.